Hello students, welcome back to your computer online class. So students, we was in your chapter number 4 and the name of the chapter was Table Links and Frames in HTML5. So students, in my last class I have given you some question and answers, is not it? And I have finished the chapter, finished the explanation of the chapter. So I think so no one has any sort of doubt regarding the explanation. And whatever answers I have given you in my last class, I think so everyone has learnt it. So today students, I will give you some more answers. I will give you 4 more answers of this chapter. Then we can say that our chapter is fully completed. So students, you take out your computer copies. Everyone take out your computer copies. Write today's date at the top corner of your page. You are going to continue from the same page where you have stopped in my last class. Now students, you will take out to page number 84. Page number 84. And look at your descriptive type questions. Descriptive type questions. Answer the following. Look at number E. Number E. Name the tag used to create a link. Full stop. Name one attribute used with the stack. Number E. Name the tag used to create a link. Full stop. Name one attribute used with this tag. Written down the question. I think so everyone has written the question. Now for the answer, you write answer, answer. I will dictate, okay? So everyone be ready. Anchor tag, anchor tag, A-N-C-H-O-R, anchor tag is used, anchor tag is used, U-S-E-D, used to create a link. Anchor, A capital, A-N-C-H-O-R, anchor tag is used to create a link. Written, full stop. Then you change the paragraph. Change the paragraph. H-R-E-F. After changing the paragraph, you write H-R-E-F. H must be capital, R must be capital, E must be capital, F must be capital. H-R-E-F. Look at your page number 76. In page number 76, have you seen anchor tag, the paragraph of anchor tag? There you see the second line where it is written H-R-E-F. Here H must be capital, R must be capital, E must be capital, F. H-R-E-F. Inside the bracket you write hypertext reference. Inside the bracket you write hypertext reference. H-Y-P-E-R, hyper, text, T-X-T, text, reference. R-E-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, hypertext reference. Written. You will write hypertext reference, H-R-E-F, inside the bracket. Hypertext reference is one attribute used with this tag. Is one attribute used with this tag. Written. I am repeating the question again. Name the tag used to create a link. Full stop. Name one attribute used with this tag. Now for the answer you write anchor tag, A-N-C-H-O-R, anchor tag is used to create a link. Is used to create a link. Full stop. Then you write, change the paragraph and write href, href, inside the bracket hypertext reference, hypertext reference, hypertext H capital, reference R capital. Hypertext reference is one attribute used with this tag. Used with this tag. Written. Then you will write the next question. What is the use of iframe tag? What is the use of iframe tag? You will take out to your page number 81. Page number 81. In there, have you seen iframe tag? How this iframe is written in your book, you are going to write like that. What is the use of iframe tag? iframe. What is the use of iframe tag? Written question mark. What is the use of iframe tag? Question mark. Answer. Answer. The iframe tag is used to, USED is used to define, DEFINE, define an inline frame, inline INLINE, inline frame, FRAME, inline frame that enables, ENABLES, enables us to display a web page, within a web page, to display a web page within a web page. Written. I am repeating again. What is the use of iframe tag? What is the use of iframe tag? Answer. The iframe tag is used to define an inline inline frame that enables us, enables us to display a web page within a web page. Within a web page. Written. Then you will write the next question. Next question. What is the use of embed tag? What is the use of embed tag? What is the use of embed tag? EMBED, embed tag, THE tag. What is the use of embed tag? Question mark. For the answer, I will dictate, you write. Embed tag is used to add, add an audio, AUDIO, an audio or a video file, an audio or a video file, VIDEO, video file, in an HTML document, in an HTML document. HTML must be capital letter. In an HTML document, full stop. I am repeating again. What is the use of embed tag? Question mark. Answer. Embed tag is used to add an audio or a video, AUDIO, audio or a video, VIDEO, video file in an HTML document. document, document. Clear? I have given you 3 questions. I think so everyone is writing the question as well as answers. Moreover, students, whatever answers I am giving from this chapter, all are important. So you must learn it. Okay? Answers are not so long also. It's to the point. So learn the answers. And whatever answers I have given from chapter 3, 4, all are important. So don't store it, learn it. Moreover, students, I am finding here many of the students while watching the videos, okay, you are subscribing it is good, as well as you click to the like buttons, okay. While watching the video, you will find there is a like button. You click to the like button. More one answer is left. Write the question. I will dictate. What is the difference between TD and TR tag? What is the difference between TD and TR tags?